best friends. Maddie, are we best friends? Look at the little hand. Are we best friends? No. Yeah, we're best friends. Oh. Okay, guys.
We're going out for dinner.
We're going out for dinner. It's Sunday. It's Sunday morning. I forgot what video I did that and I was singing. It was like, it's Sunday morning. It was something like that. It was like, it's I don't even know where we're going. But tell me this. Tell me why every time I go in the bathroom, Destiny is like always behind me, and she watches everything I do, and it's important to realize that our children are watching us, and it's important for us to set, you know, to be a role model, because this child was watching every single thing I do, and I'm just like, I'm shaping and molding this young lady, and it's just like, am I doing a good job? I literally look myself in the mirror and like, am I doing a good job? Anyways, babe, let's get out of here. We don't even know where we're going, but it's Sunday. Hubby don't have work on Monday, so we're probably gonna go grab something to eat.
There?
Where?
Here.
No. What was this?
Cheeseburger?
It's raining, babe.
I already got cheeseburger. Daddy,
So we were gonna go to the poorhouse, but it didn't look like it was like kids friendly, so we decided to come to Coastal Flats. It's not bad. It's a decent environment for kids. The poorhouse, not so much. I was like, I don't think I want to be that person that brings all our kids to an environment where, well, this is not all of our kids, but I'm just saying, that person that brings their kids to an environment where it's just like, what are you doing? So, yeah. I ordered a Long Island, and they got lemonade. You got lemonade for the kids?
Mommy.
So.
And I'm just cheeseburger.
Who?
This say jumbo lump.
Jumbo lump crab cakes.
I want jumbo lump.
You want who?
I want jumbo lump
crab cake? We don't eat crab cakes.
Dessert sounds yummy.
You can't have crabs. We don't eat crabs. Maddie, what did you choose?
Grilled cheese and cheeseburger or something.
Okay, here.
Okay, give me the camera now, Mommy. Here, Mommy.
Okay.
Give me the camera. Okay. I'm getting cheeseburger. But look at this. Why would they
You know what
have...
they're having?
Maddie and I are best friends. Maddie, are we best friends?
Huh?
Look at the little hand.
That's
Are we best friends?
No.
Yeah, we're best friends. Oh. Look at the little hand. Oh. Are we best friends?
This.
No?
that is stevia.
Are we best friends?
Or Truvia. Truvia now.
No, put the fork down. No. Are we best friends? Are we best friends? Are we best friends?
What is this one?
I can't see the back of it.
You can. It
That's
has...
stevia.
No.
And it's pure sugar.
No, it's domino sugar.
Yeah, pure sugar.
What
But-
kind of game is this?
And we're okay, I'm going
You
to...
know the sugar.
We're gonna give him the sugar. I'm gonna give him the sugar, but he has to name. Like this, Daddy. What is this? What is this one?
Stop whining.
Stevia.
Stop
No.
whining.
Manda.
Blender.
Stop whining. Stop whining. Stop whining. Stop whining. Stop whining. Stop whining.
What color is it?
So funny, I just finished eating and I didn't show you guys what I ate or what I got. I was so hungry. Maddie, what did you eat? French fry? Yes. Yeah. The food here is amazing, like really good.
But if you take your first bite, you're already stuffed.
Yeah, I'm full. I'm done. That's it. Wrap. It's a wrap. Look at the poorhouse.
Iceman.
You're the Iceman. You are an Iceman.
I want to put her down and walk.
Give me a hand. Wanna go see the fountain? Hold it. Don't go over there, okay? There, bug. She can get on, just hold her hand. Leah. So, I'm full. I don't know about this little one. I think she's full too. But yeah, that's why I said to Leah Bug. Yeah, that's why I said. I am so stuffed. I don't even know what to do with myself. I think I'm gonna go walk around in Target to go walk this food off. I ate so much bread. Like, their bread was like dumplings, like little fried dumplings, like little fried Jamaican dumplings. But it wasn't fried dumplings, it was something, but it was like so good. And I ate like 10 of them. I don't know why, but I did. And then guess what? Guess the irony of all of this. I ate 10 of those and then I ordered a burger with no bun. Like, why? So how you doing? How you doing? Yeah, so I had a burger, no bun, but I ate like 10 dumplings. It's not dumpling. I don't even know the right name. Like, seriously, if I had the recipe for that bread thingy, I would be eating them things for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Like, it was really good. You have the recipe?
No, I said I had ribs.
He had ribs. Doesn't his belly look like he had ribs? He sure did have ribs. Rob hate when I mess with him, but whatever. Good. Look at my belly. I look like I'm 5 months pregnant. We're about to go mess around in Target just because. Come on, give me a hand. Just because we're full and we need to go walk this food off. So that's what we're about to go. Right, Maddie? Come on, man. Get it together, girl. Why?
Let her go. Hey, go ahead.
Why? What's the matter? Say hello.
The girl?
Say hello. Let's go.
Did you see the bus where, oh yeah, you did. Where the old people were like.
Yeah.
So when they
Honey, look, there's more stuff on clearance. Could you stop? Cut it out.
got unhandcuffed.
They have these stuff on clearance.
People that were bald and curly.
I would actually get that. It's $9.98.
And
but I don't know. Oh, this one is on clearance still, honey.
the one who
Can I get it? No? Alright.
killed his brother.
Keep going. I'm not making you do anything. My battery's dying, folks. So we're just in Target. That's just good for the evening. The foolishness. So we're gonna go because my battery's dying. And I'll see you guys on Tuesday? No.
Monday.
No, Wednesday.
Watching it end again and again.
Not pregnant. Just, oh. There you go, guys. There's your update.